Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to wake voice assistant using gestures on your XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So first, let's open the XIAOMI Earbuds app on your device. Next, we need to give them some time to connect with the app. And here we need to scroll down to gestures. Now here we will have the press and hold left earphone and the right earphone. So as you guys can see, now here we can change it from noise cancellation to voice assistant. And as you guys can see, now after we will basically press and hold the left earphone, we would be able to connect with the voice assistant. But I'm pretty sure it doesn't work now because I didn't put that in my ear. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.